Hi, we're with the PGG Wrightson technical team. I'm Jessica Dunbar and I'm the soil scientist for the South Island.
And I'm Stephanie Sloan, North Island soil scientist.
They let me out of the south because I was cold, and we are in
the mighty Manawatu. Today we are travelling around a few farms to address a couple of issues that we get as we move out of winter into spring.
So we're going to be covering quite a few different topics, and we'll be travelling to several different cool locations. So let's go.
We all know how important it is to manage your paddock if we've been through winter crop or really wet weather periods. But how do we actually assess the damage and what are our options following these situations? Firstly, it's really easy to determine the difference between pugging and subsoil compaction. Pugging is where you have animals or livestock continuously treading through your paddock, reducing the amount of pores in the soil and breaking down your aggregate structure. If you look at compaction, on the other hand, it's often referred to through impact of heavy machinery or continuous livestock treading. Both settings result in poor soil drainage and feeble plant growth out the other side. In this situation, as you can see, we've got heavy machinery that has been trampling through the paddock over the winter period. One of the things that's happening is you're actually getting a topsoil compaction layer. So again, if you're looking at it, you can see that there is minimal porosity or air spaces through here, and breaking it up, it actually breaks up in these jigsaw-like pieces. So what we have is a lack of aggregate structure. On the flip side, if you're looking for good porosity in your soil, the ideal optimum is looking at 50% airspace. Breaking these up, you could see really good fine and coarse root ratio development for your rooting structure in your grasses. If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to contact your local technical field rep or call up the PGG Wrightson store.
And if this is the first tech tip video that you are watching, or you've watched several with us before, we hope you've enjoyed them and that you've learnt something, and make sure you go and check out the other videos, and we'll see you again soon.